Alright, I guess my video got cut off earlier for some reason, so I had to switch computers. Well, that one's uploading, but I believe we left off. I had gone to SketchUp, hybrid was selected, yeah, okay, and we made sure to preserve scale and resize, and then we changed the scale, right click, scale, that. Okay, from there, say we wanted to go to another page. I mean, from there we can add dimensions and stuff, but I always recommend you just go to the next page first. So you set up all your pages first, you do your dimensions last. So you take your thing and you Control C, copy, or you can go to edit, copy, or you can right click, copy, and then you add a page. You can right click, paste. And there you got the same floor plan again, but we're looking for the section now. So I thought I saved it as section, but you go to scene 1. That's your section. And then you got some little tiny rooms down there for like midgets, I guess. I don't know, 5'6", the big midgets. So there is your section, and if you need to change the scale, you could do that also, but at least it saved that it was hybrid, it saved the check mark. Now you want to copy this again and go back and make a cover page, which we're going to add 3, and then move the 3 to the top, and see how that little thing is at the second page? That's where this page numbers go, if you had page numbers. So page number would be something you already, yeah. You'd have to add a text that was like that. Page number. Oh, shit. And that should, no. Supposed to capitalize or something. There it goes. So then you get your page number. 1. Control C. Control V. 2. But then if you go to page 3, which is going to be your cover page, you paste it. There's no number because the numbers start at page 2. Anyways, back to your model, your SketchUp. You copy that. Control C or copy. Go to your cover page, Control V, paste that. From there, you want the 3D for your cover page. So it's going to probably be a little too big, so then you want to uncheck that, shrink it down a little bit. Then you can check it again, and then make it bigger. So it fits the whole thing. So that's going to be your cover page. Now say you forgot to add a closet over here. What you can do is go back to SketchUp, and at SketchUp you would go from the bottom here, double click. Now I don't have nearly as much stuff in this computer than on the other one, but I think I can still make it work. Draw your room, and then you push. I always use P, push, pull. And if you line up with like one of the top lines here until it makes the X, then you know it's going to go all the way. And you get out of your group. Let's go back to the top. Oh, my views aren't there. Views. Go to the top. So now your closet's here again. So you go back to your scenes, to where your floor plan scene was, and now you update it to show the new closet. You save, Control S, file save. Then you can go back over here to your layout, and you right click go to update model reference, and now it just added a few things. I don't know why, but it added the closet. Yeah, I don't know. I switched computers, so things are gonna get a little funky, I guess. Anyways, there's your new closet, and from there you can do your dimensions. When you click on the dimension thing, it's a good idea to go to dimension style and go to, I always like it to be centered on the line and then horizontal all the time, so that all the dimensions are the same direction. Then make sure it's architectural style, and if your measurements aren't great, maybe go to a 1/4 inch precision. Then if you do it once, that's all you need to do. But I don't like these arrows, so you can go back to, make sure you're clicked on dimensions, and you can change the arrows to hash marks. That's what I like. And I like to make my lines, a little smaller. Then you do another dimension. There we go. That looks good. You can also change the size of the text there. You just go to text style. See if you want bigger numbers. So if you've got a few different styles here, you can just click the eyedropper, pick the one you like, and then change the other ones by clicking on them. So everything is looking the same. See what else we got. Did I miss after I got cut off? When you're on SketchUp, see if you don't want these weird lines to show up, I'll normally just I'll just do something. You can always right click and go to object snap. That means you get more freedom. But I'll usually do something like this to get rid of these lines. And then you pick your shape there, and you fill it white, get rid of the stroke. Your background's not white, so that's not good, but you can change the color to whatever the color is. There you go, line goes away. That's just to clean stuff up, or if you forgot to, say, add a toilet, you can go draw one in over here. You want your toilet bowl there. If you click and hold the mouse, then you can get the curvy lines. Otherwise, you just get square lines. So you got, and then you just add your toilet. This is all stuff that's hand drawn, and it's not going to show up on SketchUp. But if you need to add certain things that are on the plans that don't need to show up on SketchUp, this is a good way to do it. You can just adjust these lines as you need to, and just like SketchUp, you can hold Control and select 2 of them, and then use that to make a group. So I use that for when I need to make say my section view. I'll do like a circle, and then I'll have like a line going through it that goes through it and makes a triangle. Now let's make sure I fill the circle white, make the triangle filled in black. Right click on it to send it back a little further, arrange, send to back, send backward. There we go. And then there's that. Then you that another line, put some text in there. You got 1, and then A01 or 02 or whatever. Page 2, detail 1. Adjust your text so it's a little bit normal. It fits in there nice and tight. And the little triangle's a little messed up. You can double click it and then just kind of adjust it. See how it's got the little blue ring around the dots you want to change? So, and now once this is all done, oh yeah, you gotta add a line here too. If you hold shift and make your line straight, so that's what that is. So you got, you know, hold shift, down, and then a little that. Pick that line. Well, easier is probably to just select all that and then shift, add your line, right click, make a group. Now if you need another cut, you can just copy that, Control C, Control V, and turn it around, you know, 90 degrees, and arrange it like that. Now to change your group, just double click it, and you gotta bring this back a little bit, and then you gotta change your numbers. 2. There you go. There's another section cut. I think that's about it. You got your labels. If you don't like the way these look, just click on labels and then go in here to edit it. So you want your arrows to be like Nora, like that, which you only want one of them. I think it's the start arrow. And then you know, if you want dotted lines or whatever, if you need to select a section for a detail, that's what I like to do. It's like go to the dashes, and then then you got your twirly detail over here. The lines are a little small, but you can mess with it over here. 1 point, and then do like 4 times, less space around the dots, and that's all that. So also, if you want to, you can just make your plans in 2 foot by 3 foot. When you go to open your template, make your template, you can choose, I don't know if you can choose it on here, but say you did a tabloid or whatever, you can go File, Page Setup, no, wrong one. File, Document Setup, and then Paper, right there. There's where you change it, make it Architectural D, 36" by 24", and you can send me the file and I can print it for you that big, because I got a big ass printer now. Also, make sure your display resolution is low, output high. That's so that your computer is not using too much power to make the pictures, but it'll print out in perfect quality. Alright, I'm running out of time on my free trial of the screen recording program, so I am going to stop now. Oh yeah, this. Anyway, let's see. Good luck. I hope that explains everything you needed. Yeah. Don't forget to save. Save often. Export PDF. That's for printing. Okay. Good luck.